What are you doing, mate?
I'm making a bird trap from the 70s. Actually, I just invented it.
Foolproof invention.
There we go. Put the blueberry on the stick. It's a bird trap.
Now we
Shouldn't
wait.
take long. And then when the bird comes, we can take something, run up on it, and hit it with it. Or throw a rock at it.
Now we wait. This shouldn't take long at all.
One day later.
The bird hasn't come.
It should have by now. Let's give it a scent of dirt. It smells us. That should do the trick.
Foolproof plan.
I might add some stuff.
Now we wait. This definitely shouldn't take long. What have you added?
2 sticks. And a rock on top. I don't need
I don't
this.
see the rock, mate.
Here it is. That should kill one bird in one hit.
Killing 2 birds with 1 stone, mate.
Yeah. Let's wait. The bird should come right away now. Yeah.
Foolproof plan. 2 days later.
The blueberry's gone.
The whole stick's gone, mate. Didn't work.
The end.